Sooqr makes it easy to set up and customize your own filters. Go to Front-End Filters. Configure your filters. On this page, you can add, enable, and sort filters for your Sooqr. Click and hold the button left of the filter name and drag it to the right place. Add a filter. At the bottom of the page, you can add a filter. Specify your data field and widget type. For widget type, you have the following options. Multi-select. This widget type makes it possible to select multiple filter options. Mapping. This is like the multi-select widget type, but you can specify your own labels. Select. This widget type makes it possible to only select one filter option. Ranges. This widget type makes it possible to specify a range for your filter options. Slider. This widget type makes it possible to use a slider for your filter options. Dual slider. This widget type makes it possible to use a dual slider for your filter options so you can select a range. Yes or no. This widget type makes it possible to filter on yes or no. Make sure that your data feed is providing a yes or no value. Tree. This widget type makes it possible to group your filter options. Radio. This widget type makes it possible to select checkboxes for your filter options. Date select. This widget type makes it possible to select a date range for your filter options. Location, geo. Use this widget type to specify a location and distance for your filters options. Then press the Add Filter button. A screen will pop up where you have to fill in the following information. Label. Here, you type in the name for your filter. Filter is collapsed by default. Shows the filter is closed by default. Value sort order. You have the following options: by title, ascending; by result count, high to low; by title, case sensitive and ascending. Show all values by default. This hides the More Values link below the filter, so all values are directly visible. Show all filter values. This sets the number of values to almost unlimited. Maximum number of filter values. Please tell us how many values we need to show by default before the More Options button becomes available. Minimum result count. Number of results a filter value needs to have before a filter option is shown. Selection method. There are two options. Results should match as one or more active values, or filter values will count when they match on every word in the search query individually. Results should match all active values, and filter values will count when they match all the search words in the search query together. Prefix before each value. Over here, you can specify the prefix you want to show before each value. Suffix behind each value. Over here, you can specify the suffix you want to show behind each value. Then press the Done button. Activate the preferred filter by setting the value of Enabled to Yes. Changing the widget type. The filter type cannot be changed. Please remove the filter and re-add it with the correct type. Modify settings. You can also change the filter settings from here. Just press the Change Filter Settings button on the left side of the Remove Filter button. Important. Filters with the flag icons are used in your filter rules. Think twice before removing them. Note: don't forget to save your changes by clicking the large Save Changes button. Note: every filter you will enable will be directly visible in the front end of your interface when you press the Save Changes button. If you would like to make more use of your filter options, also check out our video about filter rules.